Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all? I hope you guys are all fine, enjoying life well. In today's video, I am going to share the ideas of crochet gloves with you. Crochet fingerless gloves or knitted gloves. Let's talk about ribbed gloves, perfect for those who love a snug, stretchy fit. Using front and back post stitches, you can create a ribbed texture that adds both comfort and style to your gloves. Ribbing also gives your gloves a bit more elasticity, making them ideal for those cold days when you want something that hugs your hand perfectly. Textured gloves are a fantastic way to add depth and personality to your crochet. You can experiment with various stitches like the popcorn, bubble or puff stitch to give your glove a tactile feel. These sections not only make the glove visually interesting, but it also adds texture extra warm by creating thicker layer of yarn. Looking for a way to make your glove adjustable? Try button gloves. These gloves feature a flap or cuffed button around your wrist, making them easy to slip on and off while adding a touch of style. You can use vintage or decorative button to add character. And they can also make a gift for anyone who loves custom accessories. For a charming feminine touch, you can add crochet flower applique to your gloves, whether you choose to embellish just the cup or scatter them around the entire gloves. Floral appliques add a whimsical handmade look that's perfect for springtime or as a delicate accessory for any outfit. Mix and match different colors and sizes to create a unique garden-inspired design. Gloves with extra long curves give your crochet project a touch of elegance. You can crochet an extending curve that warms up your arm while also creating a dramatic, stylish look. Adding a lace or ruffled edge at the end of the cuff can give the gloves a Victorian-inspired feel, perfect for special occasions.